the wrong tool. So, nut number one. The other ones from upstairs. Up. So, up. Another piece. And the other ones from over here. Always put away your tools immediately, because else you'll curse yourself. So this is an easy one. This is the I'm gonna block my tool with this one, I think, or just not. It will go like this, and I'll go in from here again with an extension. Oh, damn it, need to pee. Drank too much. Water. Not beer today. It's beer-free day. Oh. Thank God for Milwaukee. Oh, I love this tool. Oh, look, and WD-40 cleans off the rust also, but pretty good product. The best, I would say. Something doesn't break loose, just use WD-40. Wait overnight. Sleep, whatever. Come back, try it again. Chances are it might just work. The cool thing about this is also it breaks free the rust because of the little anvil here. Little anvil action. Yep. So, Milwaukee à la planche. Voor de zerf. 17 goes back. The nuts over here. Hopla. This one is nice and loose. Oh yeah, it is. And the manual set. Take it off. Take it off from the turbine. So looks like we need to remove it from underneath. I'm gonna take a little break because I really need to pee. So get you in a moment. Just 1 second.